Hello and welcome to the Indicator Warehouse. In today's video, I wanted to talk a little bit about holiday trading. Today is the 3rd of July, 2014, and although not all the holiday periods are slow and non-moving, yesterday on July 2nd, if we take a look here at our Eagle chart, we really had a very just tightly wound, range-bound, sideways day. Now, after seeing that, of course, I pretty much opted out of trading the day before the 4th. That's just one of the rules that I adhere to. A lot of times with other holidays, such as Thanksgiving, Christmas, Memorial Day, Labor Day, and the likes of that, I also do the same thing. I generally try to lay off my day trading usually a day or two before the actual holiday starts. What I found in the past is that volume tends to slow down a little bit, and honestly, in the case of this weekend, I'm just ready for my 3-day weekend. I want to take a little bit of a rest from trading and just kind of recharge my batteries. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the action for today, for July 3rd. This is actually a tradable day. A little slow. We're seeing this whipsaw move here to the upside. And honestly, with diversified trading systems, were there some trades today? Yeah, of course there were. If we take a look here, of course, this move took place before the open. This move took place right around 10 Eastern Standard Time. And again, we're starting to reach for those all-time highs again at about 10:31 Eastern Standard Time. Irregardless, I had a plan in place yesterday after looking at this tightly wound sideways market right here that I just wasn't going to trade today. And I'll tell you, when Monday comes around, I'm probably going to be extra cautious on Monday as well, as there's a good chance that the volume might be a little lower. Now, I could be all wrong. Volume could be great, but let's do this real quick. I did say that today was a halfway decent day, as slow as it was. Why don't we take a look at our two other charts and see what that offered up as well. All right, well, it looks like our first move for the day on the Hawk took place here right around 10:40 Eastern Standard Time, where we get everything lining up. And of course, we saw on our Eagle price was above the hard edge as well as the soft edge. So that would have been a decent entry right there, although we didn't really have any strong action off of the open. Let's take a look at our Falcon and see what the Falcon offered up. Well, here we had a nice little short trade, not a big mover. Not a big mover. Again, we're dealing with lower volumes here, but everything lines up, and we get at least 10 ticks out of that particular trade there. I don't have a long trade here. I don't have a short trade here, because in this case, I'm fighting a red swing line, and here I'm fighting a green swing line. We want to let everything line up. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at this particular move right here. Here is a long trade that does transpire, and using a buy limit, we could have got into this, and everything would have lined up. However, this was the only real long move that we had for the day on the Falcon. Now, this particular move here definitely would have gotten you your $100. All right, guys. Well, I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. Take some time this weekend, recharge your batteries, enjoy your 4th of July, and have a safe 4th of July. If you have any questions regarding this video, please feel free to reach out to me at ray@indicatorwarehouse.com. Thanks, and have a great day.